Hello guys, welcome back to Good Travel Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to hide folders in Windows 7 or 10 or 8 and how to do this. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is I'll be creating a folder here. So I'll be create a folder. So in order to create a folder you just have to right click, go for new and create a folder. So I'm going to type please hide me. Okay. Now guys, as you can see that the folder is there, so I'm just to right click on this. If you wanted to hide, you just have to right click and go to properties, and there is an option called hidden right, so you just have to right click on this and go for apply and go for OK. So this is what you have to do. Now what happens is the file will be hidden. So in meantime, once it is successfully hidden and you wanted to get to know the file, what you have to do is if you wanted to make it you just have to cancel the hidden and you have to make it visible. You just have to click on this PC over here and you just have to click on the file over there at the top, and from here there is an option called change folder and search options. You just have to right click and go for view. There is an option called view, right? So you just have to select this, and there is an option called show hidden files, folders and drives. So this has to be turned don't show hidden files. You just have to click on this because then only this will be working. So go for this and now close this, and as you can see that the file which is available right now which we made hidden is not available here, so it is completely hidden. So what you have to do is it is successfully done. And now if you wanted to make it visible once again, you just have to go here in this PC and you just have to click on the file once again and go for change folders and search options, and you just have to click on the view and you just have to bring this here. As you can see that now it is been on don't show hidden files, so which means all the hidden files will not be visible, and you just have to change to show hidden files and folders and drives. Go for apply and go for OK. Now just close this, and as you can see that the please hide me is visible over here. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful, and this is very basic but some of the subscribers and viewers has requested, so this we made this. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.